Hello everybody, this is Ramesh Raghavan from MaxLight. Today we're going to talk about the new LS3 Linear Ambient Fixture from MaxLight. This product in front of me is a 4 feet model. This product comes as a 2 feet, 4 feet and an 8 feet model. All options, all sizes come as a CCT selectable and a wattage selectable model with 3 CCT options at 3500, 4000 and 5000 K. The 3 wattages depending on the size would vary and be specific to the product. The product also is a DLC standard and DLC premium listed product under 3 different categories: linear ambient, stairwell, as well as low bay or high bay where it qualifies. The best thing about this product that it is also controls ready. It has the USB-C port pre-built into the product, which then utilizes the patented MaxLight C-Max control system. In this example right here, the USB-C port is hidden right behind the end cap of this product. When the product does not need controls, it can be used as is. When controls are needed, easily open the end cap out and remove the silicon cover and install a compatible MaxLight C-Max node that can then be quickly installed by plug and play method of pushing it in. Once done, you can use a cutout end cap that's specific to the controls that is included with every fixture in the housing that can then be installed on over the sensor, giving it a clean, integrated look at the very end. The product also comes included with a junction box cover for surface mount where you want to cover the junction box. It comes with screws and hardware for direct surface mount, as well as 2 V-hooks to install with aircraft cable or chains. Additional accessories for surface mount kits can be purchased if easier installation is required in field. With that, this product comes with a clean diffused lens using a PMMA lens and can be used in many different applications, including commercial, retail, and industrial applications. Thank you for watching.